Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on WhatsApp. So if WhatsApp is not sending you the verification code by SMS or call, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to make sure your internet is working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then request the code again. Next, turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by clicking on the airplane sign on the control center. You also need to make sure that you entered correct phone number linked to your WhatsApp account. Also make sure you selected the correct country code before entering your number. Next, check if the WhatsApp app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for WhatsApp and then tap on update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the WhatsApp app. You can do that by press and holding the WhatsApp app icon, tap on remove app and then delete the app. And then you can reinstall the app through App Store again. If these steps still don't help, you can try restarting your phone. You can do that by press and holding the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Try to power off your iPhone and then wait a few seconds. Lastly, the problem could be from WhatsApp's servers. If their servers are down or under maintenance, verification codes may not be sent properly for some time. So those were some easy ways to fix verification code not received issue on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.